Welcome to Empire of Quiz. Guess the animal's name by their picture. There are 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. Each correct answer, you will get 1 point. Before it gets started, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's begin. First round. Guess this animal's is so easy. Yes, it's dog. It's a cat. It's elephant. It's lion. It's tiger. Guess this one. It's rabbit. It's bear. It's fox. It's wolf. It's deer. Try another one. It's horse. It's monkey. It's dolphin. It's zebra. It's giraffe. It's time for second round, medium level. It's binturong. It's quokka. It is fossa. It's black rhino. It's Cross River gorilla. Guess this one. It's vaquita. It's hawksbill turtle. It's saula. It's pangolin. Did you see this before? It's axolotl. Try another one. It's orangutan. It's California condor. It's addax. Try another one. It's red panda. It's shoebill. Now starting a hard level, which is difficult to guess. It's golden-crowned flying fox. It is okapi. It's ai. It's kakapo. Any idea about this? It's a yeti crab. Guess this one. It's a tardigrade. It's a giant Palouse earthworm. It's monk sloth. It's a zebra duiker. Did you see this before? It's a naked mole rat. Try another one. It's a sundakalugo. It's a Chinese giant salamander. It's a markhor. Try another one. It's a purple frog. It's a giant isopod. Comment below how many points did you get. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.